Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Temu to find best-selling products. In order to look products on Temu, you need to have a Temu account. So let's look for products and open the browser and search temu.com. Once you're inside the Temu app, you can start to look for the product you are planning to buy. But in order to find the best-selling products on Temu, you can see here in the top menu on Temu already the best-selling items, 5-star rated, and other more. So let's come and check out these best-selling items. And here you will see all the best-selling items on Temu. Where might attract your attention. Aside from that, let's go to the 5-star rated options. And through here, you will see all the most rated products on Temu. But if you are looking for something else, you can just look for it on the search bar. Just tap the search bar and search the product. For example, let's search for Aqua Flask Tumbler. So now, in order to identify the product that you are searching as if it is the best selling, you can see this 5-star below in the product. It means that the product has 5-star ratings, which is also a best-selling item. And that is how to use Temu to find best-selling products. If you think this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.